Hello everyone, I have for you another Jurassic World construction update, along with the other two major projects in the park. Starting things off at the newly constructed show building, they haven't done too much since the last update, at least from this angle. To the right of the show building is the turnaround after the first lift hill, and if you look closely at the roof, this portion will be covered but the roof will remain open, allowing for natural lighting. To the right is the construction area of the rumored Super Nintendo World. Crews are hard at work drilling holes into the ground on the plot of land closest to Jurassic World. It looks like they finished the concrete wall that borders the perimeter for the site. They've also filled the area with the concrete pillars in the middle with dirt. Over by the final splashdown, it looks like crews are getting ready to install some new pipes in the trenches here. I'm not sure what they plan on doing here, whether it be a new lower lot guest experience, ride enhancement, or just replacements of what was there before. It would be neat to see something installed in this unused corner for the guest experience. Underneath the stairs, there are more signs of night testing for Jurassic World. Every visit, the newly painted gray boats always change positions. It's good to know the park is testing this early because opening day is only a few months away. In front of the archway, they are still hard at work tearing up the area. These pink poles have popped up around the site. I'm not sure what these are for, but they are only located in this area next to the staircase. The walkway that leads to the restrooms and first aid station has been completely retiled and it looks great. We have yet to see if that tile pattern will follow the rest of the area or if it's just restricted to there. Now the big news for this update is the continued removal of the classic Jurassic Park archway. They already removed the lettering a few months ago to ensure guests don't get confused about the ride being open, but now they're starting to remove the reddish-brown exterior of the archway, leaving only the metal frame underneath. I'm not sure if the park is going to tear down the whole arch and build a new one, or they remodel this current one. Something very interesting I found on this visit was these holes in the final Jurassic World show building. There are 2 holes visible from guest zones, but there is likely another 2 on the opposite side. What they could be adding here is a mystery, but if I had to make a prediction, then this could be for a new Jurassic World sign placed over the building or some kind of light package for it. Again, this is a very interesting development, and it shows that the park isn't done with the exterior work for the final show building. And here's another look at the rumored Super Nintendo World construction to the left of the Transformers ride. Again, they finished building that concrete wall that goes around the site, and they are using dirt to fill in the area with the concrete pillars found in the middle. This is going to level out the site to match the side near Jurassic World. This project is moving fairly quick, and it's great to see the park trying to increase their attraction lineup. All this rapid construction is most likely the result of Galaxy's Edge and Marvel Land opening down the street at Disneyland. Lastly, here is the construction for the rumored Secret Life of Pets ride. This is another project in the park getting completed at a rapid pace. In the last update, they were working on the roof panels, and now they are working on the walls for the show building. The entire side by Despicable Me Minion Mayhem is covered in scaffolding. The sides by the Walking Dead attraction haven't been touched yet. I'm very excited for this project because 1, it offers another attraction to the park, and 2, it's rumored to be a ride system not found at the Hollywood Park yet. The ride is supposed to be similar to the Haunted Mansion and Little Mermaid at the Disneyland Resort. Anyways, that concludes this update. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.